How to remove PIN from Windows 11. Want to remove your PIN from Windows 11? Here's the safe and easy way to do it. So first, go ahead and press Win-I on your keyboard, and this would open up the settings. So from the settings, head over to the Accounts tab, and then in Accounts, select Sign-in Options. This shows all available login methods. Now, under PIN, go ahead and click on the arrow to expand options. Click remove and enter your Microsoft account password to confirm, and then your PIN will be deleted. The fastest way to disable PIN login is settings, account, sign-in options, remove PIN. You will now log in with your password or another method.